take it from us, don't go outside.
Tonight, Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson is using some hard science to prove that point.
Want to see if we can freeze a bubble.
And all new at 10, the emphatic warning to avoid the backcountry because of unsurvivable avalanches.
Plus, we have another round of snow in the forecast. Mike is tracking it all hour by hour.
Denver 7 starts right now.
And right now, our temps are zeroing in on, well, 0. Good evening. Hope you're staying warm tonight. I'm Shannon Ott.
And I'm Ann Trujillo, and meteorologist Mike Nelson's bundled up. He's getting all scientific on us tonight about this Arctic freeze, Mike.
Oh, it's cold out here indeed. So I wanted to try a little experiment, which I'll show you in just a moment. Let's look at the temperatures first across the region. We're talking single digits and teens and heading down toward the 0 mark tonight. So could be some icy spots and stretches on the streets. So I tried about 2 hours ago. I got some water balloons out here and thought I'd see if those would freeze. And at the present time, well, let's check it out. Are you ready, Eddie? Here we go. Nope, I guess not on that. So I'll see if these guys have any better luck. By the way, be careful when you're walking to Denver 7 later tonight. There will be an icy spot. Let's try and freeze a bubble here. And the tough thing is, can I catch the bubble? We had a little breeze catch up. Now, it will freeze. It might take a little while. Well, that one won't. I'll try again. See if I can catch one. The water in the soap will freeze, and you'll get a nice crystallized bubble. Might not have time in the few seconds we have here, but I want to show you a couple of pictures that Daniel Parsons sent in of some of the beautiful bubbles that he froze earlier today with the chilly temperatures. So you'll be able to go out and freeze a bubble if you want tonight, but I can guarantee you'll freeze yourself, and I'll let you know just how low those temperatures are going. You'll be surprised how much warmer it is in Alaska than here in Denver.
All right, thank you, Mr. Wizard. We appreciate that. And the latest storm has really created a very dire situation up in the high country. The group that tracks avalanches says parts of the Vail Summit and Front Range zones are ripe for very large and unsurvivable avalanches. The Colorado Avalanche Information Center says there are few indicators of instability, so there may be no warning at all when an avalanche is triggered. And just in, backcountry snowboarders frantically dug out their friend who was buried in an avalanche. The snow gave way this evening in the southwest corner of our state, fully burying one boarder, burying another up to his neck. Search and rescue crews say they are all safe in the hospital tonight.
And you know, it doesn't matter how you slice it. It is cold tonight. It is dangerously cold. The current temp in Denver, well, 9 at DIA, 1 in Arvada, 5 here at the station. And Denver 7's Jackie Cray is definitely feeling it tonight, along with fans and soccer players at the coldest game between 2 major league soccer teams. So, Jackie, they are hardcore out there.
Oh, yeah. Hardcore is the word of the night. And like you said, even though it's 9 degrees, that did not keep these hardcore fans from coming out tonight. Look, that's not a completely vacant parking lot. Am I right? Look at all these people. And they did tell us there's no way you could enjoy tonight unless you were bundled up. Layers, pocket warmers, gloves, a beanie. And we didn't do this, but maybe a little bit of beer.
If you were here for this, the Snow Classico, when USA played Costa Rica a few years ago, this isn't that bad, right?
Yes, it's really cold.
Tonight is the frosty season opener for the Colorado Rapids.
Unless you're a diehard fan, you're not going to come out to something like this.
But Jared Vandermolen and his friends are devoted Colorado Rapids fans.
It's as cold as an Eskimo's toe in Alaska.
It's as cold as, I guess, the North Pole at this moment, maybe. You know, it feels like it. Probably a glacier up on Mount Evans. It's pretty dang cold out here right now.
They tailgated with all the essentials.
Well, we made sure to bring enough beer. We got some coconut and peppermint schnapps. We got the heater.
So because the game was on another network tonight, we couldn't get inside, but I can tell you there were at least several hundred people bundled up cheering on the Rapids. Sports will have an update on the game later on tonight. For now, I am live in Arctic Commerce City. Jackie Cray at Denver 7.
Well, you are just as hardcore as those fans. All right, thanks, Jackie. And we found another crowd of dedicated fans out braving the cold tonight. In this case, we're talking fans of ice cream. Little Man Ice Cream in Denver picked tonight to be, you know, it's the coldest night of the year for its $1 pint night. And the big question now is what the Arctic freeze will do for our snow-packed side streets. Well, our morning show team will be all over the traffic impact starting at 4:30 a.m.